hello if you're new. Make sure that you do subscribe before you leave. That way you'll never miss another one of my videos. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use chamomile tea for beauty. So I'm going to show you guys 5 simple ways you could use chamomile tea in your beauty regimen, how it helps you. And I've been doing this a lot and I absolutely love the results. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so basically how to prep the chamomile tea is you need some hot water and chamomile tea bags. And what I like to do is drop that in there and let it steep for overnight, or I usually steep it for 2 or 3 days. And I like to cover it just to keep everything in there and saturated. So after 2 or 3 days, this is what it looks like. It turns into a really, really dark brown color. And I keep it in the fridge while I'm steeping it, just so everything stays fresh and cool. And then I'll take a small little funnel and then I'll take an empty spray bottle. I like to take a small one, but you can definitely make like a larger size. And then I'll just take the funnel and drop the tea in there, and your chamomile tea is all ready to use. And how I store it is just in the fridge, just so that everything stays fresh and cool when you use it on your face and your skin. So hack number 1, you can use chamomile tea underneath your eyes. What I like to do is put some on a cotton ball and then rub that underneath my eyes. It's really, really good for dark under eye circles. It really helps lighten those up, and it's good for under eye bags, and it really reduces the puffiness and the inflammation. And like right when you wake up, it's really soothing as well. Hack number 2 is you can use it on your skin. If you have eczema like I do, or if you just need to relax, it has a lot of calming effects for the skin, and you can just spray it on and rub it in. So I like to use it on my legs and my hands, especially on a hot day. A chamomile tea spray, you just spray it on. It's really, really soothing, it's calming, and it feels really good on the skin. So hack number 3 is, of course, the tea. You can make chamomile tea and drink it right before bed. It really does help you fall asleep. It does have a calming effect on the nervous system, and the warm tea raises your body temperature, which helps you sleep faster and a lot better. And there's my tea, and I like to drink that right before I go to sleep. Okay, so hack number 4, you can use this as a hair rinse or like a hair spray. So basically it's used to bring out your natural highlights if you have brown or blonde hair. And if you can see here, like it really lightens. If you go in the sun after you put chamomile tea on your hair, you'll notice subtle highlights, like lightness in your hair. And it also makes your hair super soft and just tones it really well. I will have a video coming up on how you can actually use this on your hair to lighten it and tone it. So keep an eye out for that video. Hack number 5 is you can use chamomile tea as a natural skin lightener. So you just spray it all over your skin and rub it in. And it's really good to lighten up acne marks, dark spots. It tightens your pores. It's actually really, really good for your skin. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know which one was your favorite and which one you would use yourself. I personally really like the hair one because I've noticed a huge difference in how my hair is toned. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out all my other videos. I have a lot of fun stuff for you guys already uploaded on my channel, and I have a lot of exciting things coming out for you guys. So stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.